Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Atleta Network token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Atleta Network is a modular layer 1 blockchain purpose-built to serve as a Web3 infrastructure for the global support industry, connecting data, identity and on-chain economics. Sport focused layer 1, a dedicated blockchain designed to power transparent fan engagement. Atleta Network and club revenue models, EVM compatible and modular, uses a scalable 3-layer architecture compatible with Ethereum tools, secured by nominated proof of stake and NPOS, community governed ecosystem. Token holders proposed and vote on network upgrades via Atleta improvement proposal APIs, AIPs, directing the project evolution. Atleta Network token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 825,000 ATLA token. ATLA token is listed on MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.